Hi everyone, my name's Jay and today I'm going to show you how to export transparent background videos in Adobe After Effects. Okay, so what we're trying to do is ensure that the background of whatever it is that we have made in Adobe After Effects is transparent, so like this. So what we need to do is go to File, go to Export, and then add to render queue, whatever it is that we've just made. In my case, I've just made this audio reactive wave spectrum that I made in a previous video, and I'll put a link to it below the video. But what I'm going to do is add this one to the render queue. And then what we're going to do is go down to where it says lossless here beside output mode. Click on that. And then where it says channels, we're going to change this from RGB to RGB plus alpha. And that's all we need to do here. And then go down to the bottom, click OK. And then where it says output to, that's literally just the location that you're saving it to. And once you've done that, then all you have to do is go over and press render at the right hand side. I must have moved the file previously, so it says something missing, but that doesn't matter. And then just let it render, and that's it. Well, that's how you export transparent background videos in Adobe After Effects. If you like the video, please give it a like, and please subscribe to my channel to see some more cool content. Thanks very much for watching, and see you next time.